Hey guys, so I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I created this bronzy smoky eyes with the new Maybelline City Mini Rooftop Bronze palette, and I'm also wearing the new Inti-Matte Nudes lipstick. Watch the video to know more about the products and the makeup tutorial. So Maybelline has launched the City Mini palettes and the Inti-Matte Nudes lipstick recently in India, and I think there are 4 shades available in the City Mini palette and 6 or 8 shades in the Inti-Matte Nudes lipsticks. I picked up 2 shades which I was eyeing since a long time, and the Rooftop Bronze City Mini palettes. Now all the shades are shimmery, as you can see. They are satin metallic and there's no matte shade. I would have liked 1-2 matte shades in the palette, but all the shades are like really pigmented and they are like creamy and buttery, and the peachy pink and the bronze and brown and purpley black, all the shades are like perfect for Indian skin tones. It's a warm neutral palette, and the lipsticks are raw cocoa and almond pink, which I picked. I think they are named raw chocolate and almond rose in US. I absolutely love these 2 shades. Almond rose is like a mauve pink and raw cocoa is like a nude brown kind of shade, chocolate brown. I'm picking up the bronzy brown shade, the 3rd shade, and using it all over my lid, but stopping at the crease, of course. Since all the shades are shimmery, you need to use them below the crease only. And then I'm blending the edges and adding a little bit of more color on the lid. And then I'm picking this purpley black shade, which I'm using on the outer V, on the outer corners, defining the outer V area. And I will add it 1-2 times till I'm happy with the smokiness and intensity of the dark color. And then I'll take the same color and use it on the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line, connecting the color. So it forms a proper V around the corners of the eye and gives a smokiness on the outer corners of the eye. And then I'll use the mix of 2 brown shades, bronzy brown and the medium brown, and I'll smoke out the other part of my lower lash line, the other 2/3 part, to just give some color and definition to my lower lash line. And then I'm taking this shimmery white gold kind of shade for my inner corners, highlighting my inner corners and also the brow bone area, and I'm using a small detail brush for that. And I wanted some pop, so I picked this shimmery pink, peachy pink shade, and added it in the center just for spotlight. I just used my fingers, and these are like super creamy and buttery and pigmented, and you can use it with your fingers as well. Then I'm using the Maybelline Gigi Hadid eyeliner, eyebrow pencil and fiber mascara, and I also added lashes. I used Pack Mink lashes. I'll mention all the details in the description below. This is the shade Raw Cocoa, and I love how it looks like. It's a beautiful chocolate brown shade, but it's not like too chocolatey. It's like a milky chocolate brown, and this will be a perfect nude for deeper skin tones, but it will work for all skin tones. And this is the shade Almond Rose, which is like a mauve pink, mauve rosy pink, and yeah, I absolutely love this shade. And I love how this look turned out. I loved the eyes and the lips both. So yeah guys, that's it for this look and this video. I love all the 3 products, and I highly recommend the Inti-Matte Nudes lipstick. You should pick at least 1-2 shades. There's this shade Toasted Truffle, which is also something I like. And yeah, this is the finished final look. and I also like the palette, but it is slightly expensive at 750 though, and I wish there were 1-2 matte shades in it, but nonetheless it's pretty good for Maybelline. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.